The Phoenix Project by Gene Kim, Kevin Behr, and George Spafford is a business novel that illustrates the challenges and solutions in IT management through a fictional narrative. The story revolves around Bill Palmer, an IT manager at Parts Unlimited, a company on the brink of disaster due to a failing project known as the Phoenix Project. The project is crucial to the company's survival, but it's plagued by delays, inefficiencies, and miscommunication. Key characters and setup: Bill Palmer, the protagonist, an IT manager suddenly promoted to VP of IT operations. He's tasked with rescuing the Phoenix Project. Steve Masters, the CEO of Parts Unlimited, who pressures Bill to ensure the project's success. Erik Reid, a mysterious, wise mentor who guides Bill in transforming IT operations using DevOps principles. Wes Davis, Director of IT Operations, struggling to keep the systems running. Brent Geller, the overworked and irreplaceable IT hero, who becomes a bottleneck for the entire organization. The crisis: Parts Unlimited is in chaos, with the Phoenix Project, intended to be the company's savior, failing spectacularly. The project is over budget, behind schedule, and the company is losing market share. Bill is thrown into this mess with the responsibility to fix it, but he quickly realizes that the issues run deep, with systemic problems in how IT interacts with the rest of the business. The turnaround begins. Bill's journey starts with an overwhelming sense of firefighting, dealing with constant outages, security breaches, and project delays. The company's traditional approach to IT, characterized by silos and a lack of communication between departments, exacerbates these problems. Bill meets Erik, a mysterious consultant who introduces him to the concept of the three ways, which are the core principles of DevOps. 1. The first way: systems thinking, emphasizing the performance of the entire system, rather than optimizing individual parts. 2. The second way: amplifying feedback loops, creating fast and constant feedback at all stages of the process. 3. The third way: a culture of continual experimentation and learning, encouraging constant improvement and learning from failures. Implementing DevOps. With Erik's guidance, Bill begins to implement DevOps practices. This involves breaking down the silos between departments, fostering better communication, and automating processes to reduce human errors. One of the first changes is identifying Brent as a bottleneck. Brent's expertise is critical, but his involvement in every issue means that nothing moves forward without him. Bill and his team work to document Brent's knowledge and distribute his workload, freeing up resources and reducing delays. The road to recovery. As these changes take effect, Parts Unlimited starts to see improvements. Projects move forward more smoothly, and outages become less frequent. The team focuses on small, incremental changes rather than large, disruptive overhauls. This approach allows them to make steady progress and adapt quickly to new challenges. The Phoenix Project, once on the verge of failure, begins to take shape. The team adopts continuous integration, continuous delivery, and automated testing, which improve the quality and speed of deployments. Bill also works to change the company culture, emphasizing the importance of IT as a strategic part of the business, rather than just a cost center. The outcome: through the application of DevOps principles, Parts Unlimited turns its fortunes around. The Phoenix Project is successfully launched, saving the company from bankruptcy. Bill's transformation from a stressed-out manager to a confident leader exemplifies the potential of DevOps to revolutionize not just IT, but the entire business. Lessons and takeaways. The Phoenix Project teaches several key lessons. 1. Systems thinking: look at the entire system, not just individual components, to identify and solve root causes of issues. 2. Collaboration. Break down silos and encourage collaboration between departments to improve efficiency and communication. 3. Continuous improvement. Embrace a culture of continual learning and improvement, using feedback to drive better outcomes. 4. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks to reduce errors and free up human resources for more strategic work. 5. Value of IT. Recognize IT as a critical driver of business success, not just a support function. The novel demonstrates how these principles can transform a failing company into a successful one, making it a must-read for anyone involved in IT management or business operations.